Hey everyone, welcome back to Food Prep Inc. Today we're going to be preparing these Costco beef crispy birria tacos with Spanish rice. So if your label didn't have instructions or you just like a visual guide, we are here to help. Now, first things first, these are not going to be traditional directions. So if you're looking for that, this is not the place. I'm going to be following firstly the Costco directions, and then I'm going to be following my own recommendations. So we're going to be doing these in the oven and the skillet today. So we've got everything that we need assembled here, which is your beef birria taco kit. And we're going to need a couple bowls for heating things up, a skillet, a cookie sheet or just some foil, and some tongs. Now, the first thing that you need to do is preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and line your pan with foil if you would like to. And then I'm just going to sit half of my tacos onto the cookie sheet, and we're going to pop this into the oven for their recommendation of 20 to 25 minutes. I'm going to suggest flipping these halfway through, and we will check on those in a little bit. Next, we'll move on to the skillet instructions. If you'd like to support this channel, the easiest way to do that is using our Amazon links the next time you shop there. So in our box here, we still have half of our tacos, and then we've got 2 birria sauce packets and our rice. Now for our sauce, since we have 2 packets and I'm dividing this into 2 different methods, I'm going to put 1 sauce pack just in a small bowl, a microwave safe bowl, and heat it up. And then the other packet I'm using in the skillet. And for our rice, same thing. I'm just going to pop that into a microwave safe bowl and heat it up. I'm gonna put my skillet on my stove and I'm gonna turn it to medium heat and just let that preheat for a minute or so. When your skillet is warmed up enough, go ahead and start putting your tacos in, and we're going to flip them halfway through. I'm just gonna eyeball this and watch my timer, and I'll let you know how long I keep them on each side. So I'm turning these at about 4 minutes on the first side. I'm gonna try to flatten out the filling a little bit now that it's more malleable, because it is kind of concentrated right in the middle. And now we are back and we've had about 4 minutes on the other side. I'm gonna transfer these to a plate so that I can make my other 2. If you like what we're doing here, please consider sending a super thanks. It helps us continue to provide more amazing content. Hopping back over to our oven ones real quick. This is why I would not recommend them in the oven. This is after about 15 minutes in the oven. Firstly, Costco did not say greased cookie sheet. So if you didn't grease it before or have nonstick foil, you definitely need to grease it ahead of time because the cheese will stick. All right, I finished all of my skillet tacos, and now we are going to add our 1 packet of consomme into our skillet. And then I'm just going to go ahead and add in my tacos. I'm just gonna let them simmer for about a minute or 2 on each side. And there you have it. Here is our completed Costco beef crispy birria taco with Spanish rice and consomme kit. If you guys would like to know how this tastes, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, where we're gonna give you a full review and let you know if we would purchase this again or not. But in the meantime, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll catch you guys next time. Bye. All right, guys, that's the video. If you like what we're doing here, definitely check out our other channel, 5 Minute Eats, and don't forget to give us a like and subscribe.